Good morning, students and families. My name is Mr. Tabares, 5th grade teacher with Kava, and I'm here to show you how to easily find your orientation class and your online learning lessons to complete for the first day of school. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because, as I'm sure many of you have already seen, K12 is using a brand new platform this year called Canvas that looks like this. Now, it's a great platform with a lot of great new features, but since it's new, it may take a little getting used to. So at the very least, I'd like to show you how to open what's called the Calendar Agenda view so that it will show you just the classes and lessons for a given day. So the steps I'm about to show you are not good just for the first day of school, but really for every day of school moving forward. So what I'm going to show you today, I recommend getting in the habit of doing this every morning for school when you first log into K12, okay? So let's get to it. First, when you log into K12, you're first taken to the dashboard, which contains course cards for all of your courses, for math, ELA, history, etc. You do not need to touch any of these. Rather, when you first log into K12, instead go straight over here to the left side and click where it says Calendar, right there, Calendar. You'll then be taken to the monthly calendar view, which you can see August 14th, first day of school. We start to see some material there, as well as every day of school after this. Important thing here, folks, if when you open the calendar and you do not see any of these things, make sure that on the right-hand side of the screen where it says Calendars, this menu here, what this shows is the different calendar items for each course. I recommend making sure all of these, or at least all the ones that you need, are turned on, okay? So for instance, if history is off, we don't see the history material anymore. If I turn it back on, I do see them there. So make sure these are turned on, okay guys? After you've made sure of that, the next thing to do is, up in the upper right corner here, you can see that it says month right now, monthly calendar, but if you instead click the button next to it that says agenda, what that'll do is it'll turn it into a day-by-day view that looks like this. So first day of school, Thursday, August 14th. We can see a nice itemized list here. There is our list of 3 online learning lessons that need to be completed on the first day of school. So click that first one, Online Learning Lesson 1. Click the link in there, that'll take you to the first lesson to complete. Do the same for Lesson 2 and Lesson 3 on your own time. Next, regarding orientations, those are in the same list there. You'll see that in my schedule, I have 3 different orientation sessions, one at 8:45, one at 10 o'clock, and then one at 11:15. You are not invited to all 3 of these, so don't worry, you don't have to attend 3 orientations. Rather, if you check your own schedule, you'll see that everyone is only invited to 1. So check your schedule. Are you invited in at the 8:45 session, the 10 o'clock one, or the 11:15 one? Just be sure to, when your time comes, say, well, if you're invited to 8:45, I recommend clicking the link at about 8:40, click on it, and then click the link there, Day 1 Orientation Class link. That will launch the Engagely session for you to attend your orientation with us tomorrow morning, okay? And with that, that's really just going to be all for the first day of school. Complete those 3 online learning lessons, attend your orientation at your assigned time, do those things, and you'll be finished with your first day of school. From there, if you feel inclined, you could start looking at some of the agenda items for later days, like for tomorrow, Friday. You'll see we got our first math lesson, our first ELA lesson, first history lesson, as well as for Class Connects, our first Paw Pride at 8:45, and our first math class at 10 a.m. So feel free to start looking ahead to those on the first day of school if you'd like, but if nothing else, just focus on these. So in quick review, guys, here's how to check your daily agenda view every morning to see your classes and lessons for the day. When you log into K12 and you're brought to your dashboard, go to the left side, go to Calendar. It's likely going to show you the monthly view first. That's fine, just make sure that all of your calendars on the right-hand side are turned on. Make sure they're all selected. From there, go to Agenda View, and you'll see the nice list of just the material that you need to complete for today, or just for the first day and every day moving forward. With that, I was glad to give you this quick tutorial today, everybody. I look forward to seeing everyone for the first day of school tomorrow. Take care, and we'll see you then. Let's make it a great year.